Now suppose you have uploaded a new video. It is very important that you incorporate a nice video description, right? So in this video we'll learn how to update the video description, as this is very important for your video to be discovered on YouTube. So suppose someone searches for a set upload default settings in YouTube Studio, your video should rank in the search results, right? And for this is one of the key parts where it depends on how you update the video description. So we'll first use Chatgpt in this video to write the video description using keywords. Now keywords are terms which are basically the search items, and you need to rank for these keywords. That is, if someone is searching for how to set upload default settings, if you find a new keyword or phrase, and if you're able to rank on YouTube, your video will rank always in the search results, right? So to find those keywords, I use few tools. This one, this one is a free tool, right? But this won't give you the score of the keyword. So you can see there are different search platforms. I will search YouTube because we are trying to find keywords for YouTube, right? We'll search upload default settings. Right, so these are the different search terms. That is, people are searching this on YouTube and videos are being listed, right? So one thing is you can download. So in the paid version you can get what is the search volume for each keyword, that which is being searched more, how much competition is there in terms of videos and competition on YouTube, right? You can either directly copy this and update, use few of this. However, I use a paid tool. I will, again, it's with IQ, right? Now I am taking in the free version, right? I will also show the paid version in this video, but in the free version there is limitation on how many keywords you can are displayed and you can research on, right? So I will show you both the versions, right? Ignore this, skip for now, right? I'll close this, right? So there are many features, as I showed in other videos also. I will discover keywords and I will search upload defaults. So you can see the score is low if I use this as the keyword for my video. So in the free version you can see limited comes. So you can see this YouTube upload default settings for gaming channel. Now this is in demand, around 1200 searches are there. The competition is very low, that is why the overall score is high. But ours is not a gaming channel, so I can see what are the default upload settings for YouTube. So I can use this. Upload default settings has a very low score. That is, many few people are searching for this. But you can see there are different scores, right, which are coming. So in Hindi also people are searching, which has a good score. And play with this. So this is again a low score. So I will now show the paid version, and over here upload default settings for YouTube channel. Now you can see these, how to set upload defaults, 1400 searches and very few competition videos, right? So I can use this, how to set upload defaults, how to set upload default settings, again 1300 odd searches. I will just take one or two of these keywords and I will go to ChatGPT and write a prompt. And over here I will paste the keywords which I have shortlisted with good scores. So first one is this, and second I will search one more, YouTube channel settings, YouTube upload default settings, right? So this also has a keyword YouTube, so that is why. So I'll use these two keywords So what ChatGPT will do is that it will write search engine optimized description, wherein these keywords will be or phrases will be used multiple times, which will help us rank if anyone is searching for these two particular keywords. So here it is. They have given us a description with hashtag and everything, and you can directly use this for your video description. Now I add additional details which I have shown in my upload defaults video, wherein I link my affiliate marketing links, attributions, and my social media links also in the description, that you can do as per your choice and niche, right? But this is the way you can go about using ChatGPT to use keywords and help in getting yourself ranked. The key over here is to find the best keyword phrase or keywords on which your video can rank, and that will help you drive more traffic and traction and more views eventually for your video and channel. Hope this is useful. Do let me know in case there are any more queries on how you can go ahead about approaching and optimizing your YouTube channel. If you are interested in buying the paid version of vidIQ, do check my link from where you can purchase the vidIQ membership. Thanks. Do like and follow the channel for more updates.